everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. Valentine's Day is just around the corner and I come on camera here and do my makeup for you guys. That's why you see I have no makeup on my face. I have to show you guys how I do my Valentine's Day makeup from start to the ending. First, I'm going to do my brows and then my eyes and then the rest of my makeup. It's because I find it's a little bit easier, so I hope it turns out well. Hoping and praying. So for brows, I will just go in with the Revlon Colorstay Eyebrow Liner and this is waterproof. I'm using two types of concealer. One, I'm using a white concealer and the TooFaced Bond Disney Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Honey. I'm using this too is because I'm medium skin and we're playing with pinks, so I don't want it to look super white on my eyes. So the white concealer, did I mention, is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Highlighter. Go ahead and just like carve out your brows if you need to do some cleaning up. Sorry guys, when it comes to the brows, I'm very focused. Once the white highlighter actually blends in together with the concealer, it has that whiteness to it, but it's not dramatic. When it comes to Valentine's Day and you want to look your absolute best, always remember to do your eyebrows, trimming, lips. Do all the scrubbing you need to do to take out all the dry lips, scrubbing for the lips, scrubbing for the face so that your skin is smooth on Valentine's Day and you don't have the crusty dryness around the nose or your mouth area to impress your Valentine. Now, this is not impressive for my Valentine at all. The palette that I actually used today is the Morphe Pride Month palette because it has all the shades that I want. Like down here are the shades that I actually used. First shade I'm picking up is called Sexuality. Tap it at my crease area. Shade is really vibrant. You don't want to put too much. And then you just like slowly blend it in. Just put it inside my crease and I just drag it down all the way here. Don't worry about this side here because we can always clean it up later. After this is laid down, I'm gonna go in this shade called SF that will mix very well with the pink. Just gradually. You want to darken up the outer V of your eye. So just go ahead and you can see it's already slowly starting to deepen up at the corner. And I'll go in with the last shade which is called Truth. Just a dabble and then you can see it has already darkened. Just go ahead and blend it in halfway right here and then you can just stop because we're going to go and cut our crease in a while. I didn't want it to look extremely smoky. I thought I would settle for pink, but you know, I can't pull off pink without using black. So instead of using black, I went ahead and used purple instead. So that is a better alternative. I'm using the TooFaced Born This Way concealer to cut out crease. Why I normally do like this is because you can see that it creates for me that natural crease line. So I know that I do not need to go further than that because the more further you get, it's going to be like right on top here. So gotta be careful. See, when I look at you, it's just perfect right there. And you don't want it to be higher, you want just it to be right there. So after that, what I'll do is I'll just like rub up whatever excess I have on this brush and I'll just tap it out at the end because I don't want it to be so harsh. So I'll just blend it in together with the current eyeshadow that I have so it won't be like so bad and so harsh over there. I'm gonna pack my lid up with this shade called Heat and this is a baby pink shade. Don't need to add any product. The product already on the brush is good enough because the more you add, it's just going to make it more dramatic and I don't want that. I just want it to be gradual. I'm actually using this Colorpop Over the Moon Super Shock Cheek because this has like the iridescent of the pink. I'm not sure whether you can see, but I'm going to swatch it on my hand. This has like the iridescent pinkish purplish shade, but I find like this is the closest to the pink that I've laid down just to give it a little bit of extra zest. I'm gonna go and do a little bit of cleanup like here, clean here. Don't be too hard on your skin. Just like wipe off at the side. So I'm just gonna quickly like spritz my face. I've already done my skincare, so I'm just gonna spritz my face with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. This is very good. It keeps my skin super hydrated. Or I did my eyes first because I didn't want to mess up my foundation, and once you actually do your foundation and you screw up your eye look, it's very hard to actually move it out and redo it again. So not bad. I kind of actually like it. Next is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Pink Juice Moisturizer. Love this. It's such a good moisturizer. Ever since I use this, I have not used any other moisturizer on my face when I'm doing my makeup. So after that, I'm gonna go and prime my face. You can use a water-based primer if you want to, or you can go in with more pore refining primer. I like to go in with the Tatcha this Silk Canvas primer. This is my favorite one. Ever since I use this primer, it has not ever clogged up my pores. Really makes your makeup last longer. So I only apply this primer where I get super oily, not in the places where it's dry. It's like on my T-zone where I want to hide all those pores. I mean, Valentine's Day is about basically love. I know it basically was created because of lovers, for them to actually spend their day with a special partner to share it with. It's okay because Valentine's Day is all about love. And you can actually spend your Valentine's Day with your mom, with your dad, with your family, even with your fur babies. It's all about love. So don't be disheartened if you do not have a Valentine or someone special to spend it with. You can even love yourself and spend Valentine's Day by yourself. It's because you love yourself. Don't go out and blend out my foundation. The two foundations I use is the Hourglass foundation in Golden Amber and Milani Conceal in Perfect 2-in-1. You don't need to apply a ton of foundation on your face. You have like some places you want correcting, like over here. You can go ahead, like for me, I can go ahead and correct it later on with the concealer. For some reason, I don't know why I like it. I like mixing these two concealers together recently. The Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer and the Benefit Boing Cakeless Concealer. It just gives a nice under eye brightness, and I don't need to use much as well. Conceal the places that I want a little bit more coverage. And then the Cakeless one, I will just put it on here. Just one. You can see it's a little bit brighter than the other. Setting my face with L'Oreal Mercier powder. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend out my lower lash line. I'm gonna pick up a little bit of Sexuality, tap it off, mix with Truth, so it's not so bright underneath the eyes, and just blend it out. So the eyes are done. I'm gonna put my waterline eyeliner. Just go ahead and use any black eyeliner. Apply that to my bottom and my top lashes. And then for eyeliner, I'll be going in with my favorite eyeliner, which is the Roller Liner eyeliner from Benefit. This eyeliner, guys, goes on glitter eyeshadows like a breeze. Okay, so mascara, I'll be going in the Tarte Camera Light Flash mascara because I'm gonna go in with falsies, and this is a very natural mascara. If you don't use false lashes, you can go in with this one, which is the TooFaced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara. In case your Valentine actually gift you something and you actually tear, it will not ruin your mascara at all, guys. It's waterproof, it's also very thick but not so thick, but makes your eyelashes look really voluminous and beautiful. I'm gonna go in with the Ardell Natural 120 Demi Black Lashes. Do you know how long lashes take to apply? Okay, so basically we are done with the eyes. Now you can see my eyes has volume, guys. And I really look at how the pink and the pink and the pink, and oh my gosh. I think this is the first time that I've nailed pink eyeshadow. Wow. Okay, now it's to... Oh my god, guys, I have a white hair, right? I'm gonna go ahead and conceal. There's more concealing. Please, what is wrong with you? I'm gonna go ahead and contour, highlight, and make my face as if beaming from heaven. For contour, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Contour Bomb Bronzer. It's more like a bronzer slash contour for me. I'm getting older and there's nothing like very exciting in my life, guys. Seriously, no joke. There's nothing exciting at all. For blush, I'm going for a natural blush. Too much that is going on with the eyes. I'm going to go ahead and use the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12 Hour Blush in the shade Exposed right here. It's a very nice pinkish shade that would not overpower my eyes. It's just to give the illusion like as if I'm healthy, but basically I'm not much healthy. I mean, I'm not really healthy though. I do take vitamins and stuff, but I'm eating at the wrong timing, sleeping at the wrong timing. That's not healthy at all, guys. For highlighter, I'll be going in with the Fenty Beauty highlighter in this, the Kilowatt one. I got the one in Mean Money and Hustle Baby. I'm using the shade Hustle Baby. So I'll smile. Just go ahead and just spritz your brush just a tad bit. I'm gonna go ahead and spritz my brush with the Fresh Vitamin Nectar. That's it. And then you just smile again. You can actually do this with any highlighter, guys. Amazing, healthy. Glow on the cheeks right here. Look at that. Look at that, guys. So you don't need to go out and get yourself like fancy products in order to achieve this bubble pop over here. No, you don't need to. Okay, for lips, I'm going to go in with, I mean, like, there's so many out there. I still have this one from NYX. Not sure whether you can buy this anymore, but it's still working, it's still perfect. I mean, you can't purchase this lip liner anymore in the Singapore Sephora website, but I believe they have a branch here in Singapore around Bugis area. It's like their main shop. You can go here and purchase this there. It's really unflattering. I really admire those who actually apply lipstick like as if they're in a magazine, seriously. For lipstick, I'm going to go in with the Milani I Am Fabulous, and this is like a baby soft pink. Okay, so for gloss, I'm going to go in with the I Love Revolution gloss in the shade Milk Chocolate. I hope this actually diffuses the pink. I love it. Oh yeah. Yes. I forgot to highlight my brows and my inner corner of my eyes, so let's go and do that after we apply the lipstick, seriously. Okay, so I'm just going to take the Fenty Beauty highlighter in Hustle Baby to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. This is the most important part, is because this brightens up your eyes to make it look like as if you had 24 hours of sleep, guys. And then brow bone is important to highlight the masterwork that you've done. I'm going to set my face with the Tarte Double Duty Beauty. I love this is because not only the smell is amazing, but the mist is so fine that you can barely even feel it on your skin, seriously. And then it just goes away almost immediately into your skin. So I'm put on some earrings. These earrings was actually bought by my mom-in-law, and she's the sweetest. She went on a trip to Turkey. She got these earrings for me, and I have it in purple as well since we're all pink. So we're all pink today. So I zoom in for you guys. You can see it's like kind of like in a hibiscus kind of a shade. So cute. My mom and my mom-in-law are the two amazing people. I mean, like, everything they see when it comes to jewelry, they always think about me. I mean, I love them so much. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.